Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create an ebook in Canva using your mobile. So the very first thing you should do is to simply go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then type Canva. Now click the button that says install and then wait for a couple of minutes or seconds. Once done, click open. So this is what it looks like. This one is Canva. Now, if you don't have an account yet, then you can sign in or sign up using your Google account. So you just have to type your Google account and then link your Canva to your Google account. And this is what it looks like. Now, in the search bar, you can type here ebook and then click this magnifying glass. Then you will see all the templates and designs for ebook here. What you want to do is to simply select the best one that is good for you or good for your title or for your topic. And as you can see here, most of the designs are not for free, or you can see this crown symbol with pro. That means you should upgrade your Canva to Pro. Right now, I'm currently using the basic version, so I can only access this free designs here. I cannot use this Pro or this Pro designs here. Another thing is you can go to, or you can tap this plus button here. Okay, if you're not satisfied with the designs and templates there, you can simply type here A4. It's the same thing with your ebook or it's the same size. And then if you scroll down here, you will see that there's a not so big difference, but there is difference when you use ebook designs or if you go directly to ebook, search for ebook, and if you search A4 and then tap this magnifying glass here and then search for ebook. I don't know the reason why, but if you do this, then you will see the difference. Okay, so it's kind of different here. So if you look at the designs here, for me, it's more appealing. Okay, so if you found that perfect design or template for you, then you just have to tap that. And as you can see, some of these designs are not for free, so I need to upgrade to Pro and or for me to use this templates and designs. So I want to choose this self-care entrepreneur. I want to create an ebook about this one, but I want to change the title of this. Anyways, if you want to see all the designs, you just have to tap it once, scroll down, then you will have your idea on what you're going to type here or what pictures you want to attach here. Once you're okay with that, click this apply all pages, then you can start using this designer template. So to edit the words or the title, what you want to do is just simply tap, but you can also scroll, swipe to the right, okay, to see all the signs clearly. Okay. Again, if you want to edit your title or the word here or anything here, you just have to simply tap. Let's just say I want to change this to something like entrepreneurial self-care. Okay, and if I want to edit also other words or codes or whatsoever here, I just have to tap and then delete and then change. So this is what it looks like. You can adjust the image. You can replace the image here. Everything is up to you. Okay, so as you can see, I can change the size. I can adjust the size. I can even, change the font, the color, or anything here. So let's just say if you want to change the background, you can simply tap the background. You can change the color of the background if you want to. Okay, so let me find the correct or right color for my background. Once done, you can just simply tap X and this is what it looks like. Okay, so next is if you want to adjust or change the font or the font style or anything here, you can just simply click this one and then you can change the font. Okay. So actually, you can choose different fonts here, but it is said that once you have selected the design, Canva already put the correct or right font and style for that specific design. Okay, but everything is up to you if you want to change it. Okay, so aside from changing the font here, you can also, you know, uh, change the font style, the color, same thing, okay? Find a perfect color that matches to your background. And then you can also click bold, italic, okay, the spacing. You can change everything here. Underline, you can change the format here. Okay, so everything is up to you. Now, once you're done with your front page, okay, anyways, you can also replace the picture if you want to. Just tap it and then tap replace. Import a picture from your device, or you just have to select there using your Canva. Okay, so next page we have here table of contents, but you can also replace that or delete that, or you can change your title here. So if you want to replace a picture, just tap it and then you can choose, you can import from your device, just tap upload, or you can choose from any of this Canva designer photo here. So you just have to click this photos and then search for the topic or picture that is related to your topic. For example, I want to look for entrepreneur photos. So here are the samples. And what I'm going to do here is to simply tap that photo that I want to import to my ebook. Let's just say this one. So you just have to simply tap the picture and it will be added directly to your ebook page. So you can do the same thing, okay, if you want to replace the picture. And then make sure that that picture is for free because again, you cannot use any picture that has pro. Okay, you need to upgrade your account in order for you to use that. Okay, so these are the sample pictures from Canva. Okay, so nothing to worry about. Now you can adjust the picture if you want to. Okay, now let's go to the third page. Here is the picture, and it's the same thing. If you want to replace, you can replace. If you want to delete, you can delete. Now, if you want to change the background, you can tap the background again and change the color. Everything is up to you. Now, if you tap this picture here and you click delete, then you will see a grid, something like that. Okay. And actually, you can undo that if you want to. So let me delete the image and then replace it. So it's the same thing. You can go back to design and look for photos and then search entrepreneur and then select any other picture here. Let's just say I want to import this one. Now, if you have some problem with it, picture, if you want to center the picture, you can just simply adjust everything here. Okay, if you just want to see the person, okay, you can simply adjust it. Talking about this, I mean, your title, you can just simply drag it anywhere. You can delete if you want, if it's not necessary. Then this one, let's just say you wanted to delete this because you want to copy something from your notepad. All you have to do is to simply delete this one and then click and then look for paste. And then that's it. Now you can adjust the settings, the spacing, everything is up to you. So you can just simply tap this one here, look for the appropriate font for this, okay? And like what I've mentioned, you can just simply go to this area to change the font size, to change font style, okay? Spacing, format, everything is up to you. Okay, so that's it. As you can see here, there are tons of options for letter spacing. Okay, so all you have to do is to drag it up and down until you see or you found the perfect spacing for you or for your page. As easy as that. Once done, you can simply exit this. Okay, now if you want to see the result of your ebook, everything, you just have to tap this three dots above and then go to view settings. Tap view settings here and then look for grid view. Okay, again, let me tap this view settings. Actually, you can choose other view, but for me, I want to choose this grid. Okay, show grid view. Tap this one. Then I can now see all the pages. So the good thing is that I can replace and move this page to anywhere. For example, I want to change it here, move it here. Okay, swap or replace, something like that. I can also delete this page if I think it's not necessary. Okay, so that's it. Now, here's the thing. As what I've mentioned earlier, you can delete the page and you can also add page here. Okay, so let's just say you think that this page is not necessary or you don't like the design of this page, then you can just simply delete this. To do that, you can go back to this three dots, go to settings, go to grid view, and then tap that page that you want to delete, and then look for the delete icon, and it will be automatically deleted. Okay, so that's how easy it is. For example, this one, I want to delete, tap this delete icon, then click delete. Okay, now another thing is that if you want to add a page for your ebook, you can tap this three dots again, go to grid view, and then let's just say you want a duplicate for this page right here. So you just have to tap that and then click duplicate or copy. Okay. And if you want to add other design that you can find here, then it's okay. You can go back to your home or you can just simply tap this X and then you can simply go back and then look for designs. Okay. Tap the plus icon and then tap this arrow back. Click this magnifying glass here and let's just say you're looking for checklist. Okay, you just have to type checklist here and then simply click this magnifying glass to search. Okay, so you can choose graphics, photos, videos, and if you can't see that here under elements, then you can go to design. Sorry, I just click elements. So for design, you just have to tap this arrow back again and then search for checklist and then click the search icon or the magnifying glass here. Then you will see tons of checklist design, but you have to look for something that is for free. Okay, so for example, this one. And to view it again, you just have to do the same thing. Three dots and then show grid view. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so again, you can just explore. Okay, add, edit, replace, everything is up to you. So to download this, tap this share button. And then you can share this to any of your social media accounts if you want to. But if you want to download, then you can tap download here. Then you can download this as you can download this as PNG, JPEG, PDF. Okay, so there are different or there are suggestions here. Everything is up to you. Okay, and then you can also share this one if you want. So you can go back and then tap share. Then you can share this to your Gmail, or you can just simply copy the link and share it anywhere. Okay, so you can choose the settings for access. Okay, you just have to simply look for their email address, add it here, and that's it. Okay, so I really hope that this video somehow help you with how to create an ebook in Canva. This is just a very basic tutorial. I know you can do better than this. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.